I brought some money for you. I know you'll be needing it. Huh? Let me keep it for you. Oh, why did you have to open it now? You use it for your tea. Let me keep it for you. Sorry, it's okay. But you don't have to waste it like this. It's yours. I'm not... Let me just be with you. Give me some. You don't have to open this now. You're wasting it. Listen, I'll be coming time to time to check up on you. Alright? I'll miss you, Abigail. Don't eat it. Take this one.